Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint against a bank manager. First, gather all your documents, such as account statements and any emails or notes from your interactions. It's crucial to have a clear record of everything. Next, pinpoint the exact problem you're facing, including when it happened. Before escalating, try to sort things out directly with the manager or another senior person at the branch. Often, a quick conversation can resolve misunderstandings and save you a lot of time and effort. If direct communication doesn't work, it's time to file a formal written complaint with the bank's main customer service or complaints department. Be very clear and concise, outlining the facts, how this issue has affected you, and what you hope to achieve as a resolution. Remember to keep a copy of everything you send, including the date, and any replies you get back. This paper trail is incredibly important for any future steps you might need to take. Should the bank's internal process not resolve your issue to your satisfaction, you can then turn to external regulatory bodies. For example, in the United States, you might contact the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. In the United Kingdom, the Financial Ombudsman Service is the appropriate body. It's important to research the specific regulator for your country and the type of bank involved. These organizations are designed to mediate and resolve disputes between consumers and financial institutions. As a final resort, if all other avenues have been explored and your complaint remains unresolved, you might consider seeking legal advice. A qualified attorney can review your specific situation, explain your rights, and help you understand if pursuing legal action is a viable option. Throughout this entire process, it is absolutely critical to maintain meticulous records. Keep every email, letter, phone log, and document organized. This comprehensive documentation will be invaluable, no matter which path you ultimately choose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.